Toyota just updated one of America's most capable full-size SUVs, and this time they did not just refresh the badge. A sharper new look, a brand new factory-built overlanding package, upgraded TRD Pro hardware, a standard 14-inch touchscreen, and Toyota Safety Sense 4.0 across the entire lineup. That is the 2027 Toyota Sequoia, and today we are breaking down every single detail. Welcome to AutoPulse USA, and let's get into it. Full pricing details are planned for announcement in fall 2026, but the Sequoia lineup continues across 6 grades: SR5, Limited, Platinum, 1794 Edition, TRD Pro and Capstone, giving buyers a wide range from everyday family hauler to premium luxury to serious off-road machine. Every single grade gets the updated technology package for 2027, which is a strong move from Toyota. Starting outside, the 2027 Sequoia arrives with a completely refreshed front end developed by Toyota's CALTY Design Research team in Ann Arbor, Michigan. The design philosophy centers on horizontal architecture that projects strength and stability from every angle. The front end is sharper, more assertive, and more purposeful than the outgoing model without abandoning the rugged full-size SUV character that Sequoia buyers expect. A refined grille treatment pairs with a center lower bumper enhancement that projects a crisp, capable attitude, and rectangular fog lights are now integrated cleanly into the bumper for both function and visual cohesion. The grille-mounted LED light bar receives a hardware upgrade for brighter output, and available rigid fog lights provide serious additional illumination for low-light driving conditions. On select grades, chrome finish is reimagined for a more modern and balanced look rather than the heavier applications seen on previous generations. Available front recovery hooks add both off-road utility and a rugged visual element that reinforces the Sequoia's adventure credentials. The overall effect is a full-size SUV that looks refined and premium without losing a single ounce of its outdoorsy, capable spirit. The all-new Trailhunter package is the biggest news for 2027 and deserves its own spotlight. Based on the SR5 grade, Trailhunter transforms the Sequoia into a factory-built overlanding machine with Michelin LTX Trail 265/70 R18 tires, an Old Man Emu upgraded suspension, front recovery hooks, and additional underbody protection, all straight from the factory floor with no aftermarket work required. Multi-terrain select, crawl control, and a locking rear differential are all included, delivering genuine trail capability for buyers who want to venture beyond pavement with real confidence. Unique bronze-colored wheels and exclusive Trailhunter badges give it a distinct look that immediately sets it apart in any parking lot. The TRD Pro also gets meaningful upgrades for 2027. Newly designed and Sequoia-tuned FOX Enhanced QS3 shocks are now adjustable, offering improved feel, stability, and control across demanding terrain. A bold new honeycomb color makes a strong visual statement, and standard red tow hooks add a functional performance touch that longtime TRD fans will immediately appreciate. Step inside and the 2027 Sequoia delivers the spacious, family-ready interior that full-size SUV buyers expect. The cabin is built around practicality and comfort across all 3 rows, with generous passenger space that makes long road trips genuinely enjoyable for every occupant. A standard 2.4 kilowatt inverter adds real-world versatility for camping trips, tailgating, and travel, letting you power tools, coolers, and gear without needing a separate power source. Available front recovery hooks outside and the inverter inside communicate that this is an SUV engineered for life beyond the driveway. The 2027 Sequoia continues with the proven twin-turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder hybrid powertrain that has defined this generation. This is a full hybrid system producing a combined output that delivers strong, confident acceleration for a vehicle of this size, paired with impressive fuel economy numbers that would have seemed impossible for a full-size 3-row SUV just a few years ago. The hybrid system works seamlessly in everyday driving, responsive at low speeds, smooth on the highway, and genuinely efficient when cruising. Towing capacity remains a key strength of the Sequoia platform, with properly equipped models capable of towing serious loads. Full confirmed specifications for the 2027 model year are expected closer to the fall launch date. On technology, the 2027 Sequoia receives the latest generation Toyota audio multimedia system with a now standard 14-inch touchscreen, a significant upgrade that brings a larger, sharper, more capable digital interface to the entire lineup without reservation. The system integrates AT&T 5G network connectivity and features a smartphone-like home screen with customizable widgets for quick access to the features you use most. Hey Toyota voice assistant responses are faster and more natural in this generation, making hands-free operation genuinely useful rather than a novelty. A standard built-in drive recorder dash cam uses the vehicle's exterior cameras to capture 20-second clips of manual or triggered events, a practical safety and documentation feature that many owners will appreciate immediately. Digital key functionality gets a meaningful upgrade as well. Beyond the Toyota app, drivers can now manage digital key access directly within Apple, Google, or Samsung native wallet apps, including locking, unlocking, starting, and operating the vehicle. Up to 5 additional drivers can be shared access through the digital wallet, and once enabled, NFC technology allows the vehicle to remain accessible even if your phone runs completely out of battery. Toyota Safety Sense 4.0 comes standard across every single 2027 Sequoia grade, covering pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, full-speed dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, automatic high beams, and proactive driving assist. On the road, the Sequoia's hybrid powertrain delivers a driving experience that feels smooth, refined, and composed whether you are navigating a school pickup line or cruising on the interstate. The electric motors provide immediate torque response that makes the Sequoia feel lighter and more responsive than its full-size dimensions might suggest. Ride quality is compliant and comfortable in everyday driving conditions, while the TRD Pro's adjustable FOX shocks bring genuine off-road composure to the grade that demands it most. The Trailhunter's Old Man Emu suspension and all-terrain tires shift the character appropriately for buyers who plan to use every inch of that capability on real trails. Toyota backs the 2027 Sequoia with a 36-month basic warranty, a 60-month powertrain warranty, 8-year and 100,000-mile hybrid component coverage, and an industry-leading 10-year and 150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty that transfers across ownership, a genuinely strong ownership confidence package that adds real long-term value. The 2027 Toyota Sequoia is a more compelling, more capable, and more technologically advanced version of an already strong full-size SUV. The new Trailhunter package fills a gap that adventure buyers have been waiting for. The standard 14-inch screen and Safety Sense 4.0 across every grade show Toyota is taking the entire lineup seriously. And the proven hybrid powertrain continues to deliver efficiency and performance that genuinely changes what buyers expect from a 3-row full-size SUV. So that is the complete breakdown on the 2027 Toyota Sequoia. Drop a comment below and tell us which grade you would choose. Are you going TRD Pro, Trailhunter, or loading up the Capstone? If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to AutoPulse USA for more first looks and honest car reviews every single week. We will see you in the next one.